This is going to be a video that's going to help you write an equation from a linear word problem. Let's look at a couple examples. The first example is this. Woodrow is trying to lose weight before his birthday. He presently weighs 220 pounds and his plan is to lose 4 pounds each month. Write an equation for Woodrow's weight over time. Well, that last sentence is going to be kind of a clue to help me find what the variables are going to be for this problem. Write an equation for Woodrow's weight, so I know one of the variables has to be Woodrow's weight. And the rest of the sentence says over time. And in my time in this problem, it looks like 4 pounds per month. He's losing 4 pounds per month, so his weight is going down 4 pounds per month. So my other variable is going to be the number of months. Now when I write an equation, I always start my equations out as y equals. Now I want to find out what I'm what's changing in his weight. And his weight is changing 4 pounds per month. He's losing 4 pounds per month. That means it's going down 4 pounds every month. X is equal to the number of months, so what I have to do, since he's losing 4 pounds, is multiply -4 times the number of months. So -4x, and that tells me how much he's losing, or how much weight he's lost over time. But then I have to stay where he started at. The problem says he presently weighs 220 pounds. So that's like the y-intercept. That's what his weight when the number of months was 0. So it's going to be plus 220. Let's look at another example. Jimmy decided to go to the Dakota County Fair with his friends. The fee to attend the fair was $12, and each ride he went on was an extra $3. Here we go. Write an equation for the cost of going to the fair depending on how many rides he goes on, or you go on. So if I look at this problem, the first thing I have to do is ask myself what the variables are. And the last sentence again is going to give me the clue. Write an equation for the cost of going to the fair, depending on how many rides you go on. So the two variables are the cost of going to the fair and how many rides you're going to go on. I'm going to let y be the total cost. That's what I'm trying to find. And that's going to be changing depending on how many rides I'm going to go on. So when I write this equation again, I always start with a y equals. Now, every ride he goes on is an extra $3. That means I'm going to take the number of rides I go on and multiply it by 3. So my equation is going to start off with y equals 3 times x. And the last part of this equation is I have to know where he started. Well, just to get into the fair, it was $12. So I'm going to put plus 12. This means I'm going to take 3 times the number of rides he goes on and add 12 to get his total cost.